Hello, this is Scott. Welcome to the meditation. This meditation is in alignment with peace and connecting to the solar eclipse. Just beginning to tune inward, feeling your feet in the lower part of your body, your sits bones, your legs, just tuning into your legs and your feet, just feeling contact with the lower part of your body. Making contact with your base. And beginning to expand your awareness inside. Just beginning to tune into what's here, what body sensations you're having. Taking an inner scan of your sensations of your body. On the in-breath in, breathing in light, and on the out-breath out, just paying attention to your body sensation. In-breath in, breathing in the light, out-breath out, paying attention to your body sensations. Paying attention on the out-breath out to the areas of the body that you feel well as noticing the areas of your body that you feel less well. In-breath in, light. Out-breath out. Paying attention. Placing soft attention on your body sensations in the areas you feel well and the areas you feel less well. As we know, in order to become present, we must place our attention gently on that which is here and that which is absent. putting your attention on your emotions. Noticing what kind of emotions you're feeling right now. Happy, sad, calm, upset, tender, or numb. Just noticing your emotional state right now. And then tuning in to your mind, noticing what kind of thoughts you're having right now. Are the thoughts coming in quickly or slowly? Or is there a sense of space? Thoughts about the past, thoughts about the future. Just noticing what your thoughts are like right now. And then bringing your attention to what you feel drawn to most, into feeling into either the Middle East conflict or the Ukraine conflict, whichever one is drawing you, calling to you. And then notice how you feel in your body, in your physical body, about that conflict. Just paying any attention to any sensation regarding the conflict in your physical body. And then moving into your emotional sensations. Noticing how you feel emotionally about the conflict, or don't feel. Just noticing that aspect of your being. And noticing your mind, what kind of thoughts you're having about that conflict. What kind of thoughts you're having, what kind of thoughts you're not having. And gently opening your eyes. And if you feel called, you can write down some of your insights in a journal. Thank you for joining me, and have a peaceful day.